Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the page color on Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. To change the page color on Google Docs, just open a blank document first. So then you just want to change. So I just going to type something here. So I just type as change now. So and then go to the file option here. Then go to the page setup here. You can see there's a lot of options, but you can see the page color here. So just click here and you can change the number of colors. You can just click on the OK. Automatically the color will be changed here. Just go to the file, go to page setup, and you can see a lot of colors are here. So you can choose a darker or lighter color that suit for your page. So here there is a lot of the options too. You can see you can select a color from the color wheel. So you can have more options, not a particular color. You have a brief options here. So you can select the color and you can select the particular color and you can change here, or else you just go to the file, page setup. There is another option, set as default. So if every time if you open a new file document, it automatically the page setup color will be like this. You can also change this from the page setup here. Just go here and change to normal white and set as default. You can pick the color from here. Try this on Google Docs. Friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe this channel for more content about Google Docs. And if you want, and we will meet on next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.